For reinforcement work, outdoor repairs, or heavy-duty bundling, do you often face problems like weak tape or tape falling off after sun and rain? And when the bundle comes loose, does it also leave residue that takes time and effort to clean? Have you also run into these problems? Don't worry, here is a better solution. YG Heavy Duty Cloth Duct Tape with 4 key advantages. Let's take a closer look. First, it uses a high-tech rubber adhesive, strong initial take, firm hold, long-lasting adhesion, and no residue after removal. Second, it has a 420 micrometers thickness, extra thick, strong tensile strength, and not easy to deform. Third, it is easy to tear by hand, no tools needed, making application faster and easier. Fourth, it is made for tough conditions, moisture-resistant, waterproof, UV-resistant, and suitable for all weather use. This is a professional tape for heavy-duty industrial work and emergency repairs. Application scenarios. First, let's look at heavy-duty repair and sealing. For pipe cracks, air duct joints, or emergency leakage repair on boxes and equipment, just tear the tape and apply it directly. It seals fast, keeps out water and dust, and stays firmly in place without edge lifting. One application, reliable forever. Next, let's look at fixing and heavy-duty bundling. For pipes on construction sites, pallet goods, or other heavy items, wrap the tape around the edges or set to hold them in place. The extra thickness gives a strong hold. It is hard to break, hard to pull apart, and keeps heavy item firmly fixed. During transport, it helps prevent loosening and shifting. Stable for long-distance shipping and long-term fishing. Most importantly, after use, it removes cleanly with no residue and no surface damage. If you are looking for a heavy-duty industrial tape with high strength, strong adhesion, good weather resistance, and easy hand-tearing, YG Heavy Duty Cloth Duct Tape is a reliable choice. Feel free to contact us for more product details and customization options. This is YG Tape Expert Talks. See you next time.